This is how we try for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing video. You can see I have a box for you guys from Guess. So yes, we have a shoe, a sneaker for you guys, especially for females. Here we go, a lovely looking box from Guess. A premium brand from United States, everybody knows that. Color black, size is 40 here. Guess is right in one hole to see the product if you want to check if it's there or not. White box, lovely, beautiful, simple, but the best. Okay, here. So without any further ado, I'm gonna take this off from here. Wow, the packaging is premium. Take this off from here. You can see how beautiful this sneaker. Wow, if you're a sneaker lover, surely you like this one. Let me take this off from this pack. Look at this, guys, how beautiful right in here. Guess black color, black leather. Wow, yeah, the design of the guess. You have many tags all over. Okay, tag all over the places. It's really high quality sole and stitching. You can see here is original Guess. You can see how curved on the sole. You can see here Guess all over the places. Size 40, the logo of the Guess at the bottom. Wow, look at this, guys. I bought this one directly from the website of Guess in Spain. So this is original. You can see how Guess is written. You have many counterfeit of this one, many copy, but copy, they're cheap. Okay, this one is heavy. You feel at your hand a quality product. You have a golden here, golden line. How detailed this is stitching. You can see the lace. Okay, inside. I will take this hard cardboard for protection. Okay, and the lace we can take out. Inside, if I can show you here, you see how beautiful it is. Guess from United States. Obviously the size and other information is written. Premium inside, also Guess written. Sole inside. Wow, beautiful, guys, beautiful, lovely, classical, handy. Here is the logo of Guess. The angle is written. You can see here, beautiful. We are going to the other pair to see the similar, more or less. Taking this off from here. Wow, the same thing. I'm gonna take this out from this bag. Wow, beautiful, guys. Yeah, behind you can see how detailed. Two type of leather together. Cushion inside. Smell as a real leather, whatever. Okay, the cushion inside, the comfort, because the premium quality shoes, the more comfortable than the cheap one, the cheap imitation one. You can see the lace here. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.